Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is Pakistan and the United Nations. Pakistan is a member state of the United Nations UN and has been a member since its independence in 1947. As a member of the UN, Pakistan participates in various UN bodies such as the General Assembly and the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, and the International Court of Justice (ICJ). Pakistan has also contributed to UN peacekeeping operations in various parts of the world, with Pakistani troops serving in UN missions in countries such as Congo, Liberia, and Haiti. Pakistan is one of the largest contributors of troops to UN peacekeeping missions, Blue Helmet Army, with over 6,000 Pakistani personnel currently serving in UN missions around the world. Pakistan has also been actively involved in the UN's efforts to promote sustainable development and tackle global challenges such as climate change. Pakistan is a member of the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) and has played an active role in international climate negotiations. In addition, Pakistan has been involved in various UN initiatives aimed at promoting peace, development, and human rights, such as the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), the UN Global Compact, and the UN Human Rights Council. Overall, Pakistan's relationship with the UN has been an important aspect of the country's foreign policy, with the UN providing a platform for Pakistan to engage with the international community and to contribute to global efforts to address key challenges and promote international cooperation. Thank you for watching. Our next topic will be Pakistan and important global issues, including Palestine, growing extremism and militancy, war on terror, etc. Okay, Allah Hafiz.